The following are excerpts from the personal journals of an inmate of the Trans-Allegheny Lunatic Asylum in West Virginia, who was later found to have been wrongly incarcerated for murder and tried as insane. February 8th, 1963. Same nightmare again. It's 3 days now, I think. Maybe 4. They mush together here. It's getting close to 2 months now, I think. Waiting to hear back about my appeal. Judge is worthless. Already know what he's going to say. I never had nightmares before this place. The patients just scream all the goddamn time. It's getting to be every night now. I'm in the middle of water somewhere. I don't know where. It's so dark. Wearing these same goddamn pajamas. They're sticking to me, pulling me down in the water. I can't see any light anywhere. I don't even know what's up or down. Just bits of stuff floating around me like leaves or skin or something in the water. It's cold. I feel so heavy, like my clothes are pulling me down. I can't breathe. Open my mouth, but there's nothing. No sound comes out, no air. There's something with me. I can't see it, but it's there. It's grey, big, too fast to see it. I heard the water move. Bubbles are in front of my face. I can't see. Something brushed against my legs. God, what is that? It's cold, but now I'm warm. I'm burning, pulling at my clothes. They won't come off. Got to get away, get out, swim. Please, God, swim. It's there. God, I can see it somehow in the dark. A shape. My heart feels like it's going to explode. It's swelling, swarming, getting closer, enveloping me. My God, I can't move. It's holding me, pulling me into it. Suddenly its arms are everywhere, around my waist, pulling on my naked feet and hands. It's so cold, clammy, like rubber, biting me everywhere like a million mouths, pulling me closer. It's getting darker. It's enveloping me, everywhere. No eyes, no sound, just bubbles and cold and burning as I struggle to swim away. The mouth, endless black, teeth like knives around me, grazing my feet and the palms of my hands. I feel like a baby. My skin is weak and soft. My heart is gone. I can't feel it. Blackness. I woke up. Piss myself again. God, I can't do this. I have to get out. Please, God, help me. I miss you, Richel. April 22nd, 1963. Rejected again. God, I can't take this. I'm not crazy. The nurses are unbearable, the way they treat these people. They should be locked up in here, not me. It's so numbing. Everything, the walls, the colours, the food. It's like a box. Throw people away here when they're too difficult to deal with. These people need help, but they treat them like animals. Had a nightmare again. They're so vivid, so real. I think it's the medication they give us, whether you want it or not. I'm on a table. It's metal, I think. It's cold, but I don't feel cold. I don't feel anything. I can't move. I'm looking straight up at something bright, piercing like the sun. A light, bright and white, so bright it feels like it's scorching my eyes. I can't blink. I can't close them. My eyes feel so dry, it hurts. Someone's here. I can hear them talking. They're not saying anything, mumbling, bustling gibberish. There's 2 of them, I think, maybe more. I can't tell. Everything's white. Something is moving over me. It's smooth and cold. A sheet pulled away. I feel naked, but I can't tell. I can't look, can't move. Something's tapping, clanging like pots and pans, scissors, pencils, I don't know, like a tray of spoons sliding around. It sounds like metal. I see shapes, shadows moving to the left and right like people standing over me. The light moves, shifts around, closer and further up and down like it's studying me, looking at me. It moves back. I can see more. It's still so bright. The people are talking, whispering about me, saying things about me. I can't remember what they say, but it's lies. I know it. They hate me. Poke at me. All of a sudden, something hurts. It's in my chest, like a knife, a sharp pain. I want to move and stop it, but I can't. It pierces my chest, cutting me open. I feel wet. Blood is everywhere. So much pain. Suddenly, I'm out of my body, looking at myself. I'm on a table. My body is torn open. The people are poking at me, pulling out my insides. Blood all over the floor. It's everywhere. They have masks, rubber gloves. My blood is all over them. I blink. I'm back on the table, in my body. I can't feel anything. My insides are gone. I'm empty. Flies are around me, on my face, inside my chest, eating my skin. The light is dimming. The room is getting dark. I can feel them crawling all over me. Flies. Bugs, cockroaches, spiders, I can hear them all swarming, buzzing, creeping through my skin. They're in my ears, spiderwebs and sacs in my throat, eggs pouring out of my mouth, roaches crawling under my eyelids, maggots under my nails. I can feel them moving about. It's so dark I can't see. There's a sack on my head. I woke up, soaked in sweat again. God, these dreams are unbearable. I've told them so many times, but they don't do anything. They never listen. September 7th, 1964. Maybe I am bad. I can't remember. I don't think I did it, but they do. They all do. Last night, I know it does not matter. I'm in a box. It's black. I can hear them talking. People are close to me, talking about me, around me, men and women and people. I don't know who they are. I can't hear what they're saying. They're laughing at me, I know it. They're throwing rocks and mud on my box. I sink down in black. It's so cold. April 18th, 1965.